Hello and welcome to the UICCU No Judgment Zone Money Minute. I'm Sheri Shannon.
And I'm Liz Welch. We are both financial coaches at the University of Illinois Community Credit Union.
Listeners, we're wrapping up the entire quarter today, and we have covered a lot of information.
Yes, we have, Sheri. Let's do a quick recap.
Well, we kicked off the quarter in April talking about creating a summer spending plan.
Yes, and I love the idea of creating a vision board and including your family to all be a part of it.
I do too. Involving others can be a great way to get ideas to budget for vacations, staycations, groceries, childcare, and utilities costs.
All are expenses that tend to increase during the summer months. You can find fun, inexpensive activities, buy food in bulk, limit the use of electricity, and work from home. All are smart ways to stay within your spending plan.
In May, we talked about consumer lending and offered tips on how to prepare to be in the best position for a loan when you need it.
And that included discussing credit history, credit scores, debt to income, and types of loans.
That's right, because these all impact the approval process, including your rate, payment, and term of the loan.
That was useful information. Also, knowing the types of loans available helps you determine what best fits your lending needs.
It sure does. And finally, we talked about mortgages, including different mortgage options, preparing to get a mortgage, and the documentation needed.
And with options for purchase and refinance on conventional, FHA, and VA mortgages with terms of 15, 20, and 30 years.
And don't forget about those special products like the home equity and home equity line of credit.
We also shared documentation that is required. It seems like a long list, but being prepared and following the requirements will make the process easier. Start with a mortgage lender who you trust and will provide you with a list of all documents needed. Also, if you are planning to purchase a home in the next couple of years, start preparing now. Set up a savings account for your down payment and review your credit report for any items that need your attention to help increase your credit score.
So listeners, as you prepare for these different seasons in life, don't forget that you have capable people at your financial institutions who can coach and walk you through these processes.
That's a great reminder. Do not be afraid to use your resources when creating a spending plan or taking out a loan to refinance or to make that next purchase.
And for more financial health resources, check out the financial wellness page at uoficreditunion.org. And remember, if you're listening, you can bank with us. I'm Sheri Shannon.
And I'm Liz Welch. Thanks for tuning in to the UICCU No Judgment Zone Money Minute on WPCD.